find the bearing nearest second and the distance nearest 100 from point B to D. So let's take a look at our sketch. This is what we have. What we know, based on the information, is first thing is point B has a coordinate of 172,554, 375.981. And coordinate D has 121.028 and 667.177. So I'm going to write these coordinates up here. So 667.777. So this is X and Y. Remember, X is easting and Y is northing. And the reason that becomes important because we're talking about latitudes and bearings. So in this problem, it says what is the bearing from B to D and what is the distance. Now, here's what it's asking. If I draw a straight line from B to D, it wants to know, and if this is straight north, it wants to know the bearing. So it's going from B to D. That would be the azimuth, and it wants to know the bearing. It wants to know this angle. So just in this picture, here's my azimuth, remember? And there's the bearing. So it's asking for this little wedge here. It wants the bearing. First thing you think of, bearings. What do bearings require? They require letters, right? Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. So without a doubt, and I will take points off if you do not add this to it, what direction is B to D going? It's going in the northwest, right? So automatically know it's going northwest. So here's the other thing that's important. If I drew a triangle, if I drew this line straight down, and bear with me, my drawing skills are not always up to par. If I draw a triangle like this, it is a right triangle, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so remember what I said. You've got, what's this direction? Latitude or departure? Departure, that's absolutely correct. East to west is departure. North to south is latitude. So we have east to west, departure. North to south is latitude. Right? Now, if you take a look at the formula sheet here, I tell you, here is departure and here's latitude. Those are the formulas. L cosine A being the azimuth. Now, before we get to there, what do we know about right triangle trigonometry? The distance A to B is the changes in X and the changes in Y. Squared and take the square root. Okay? Can we figure out our change in X and change in Y? Sure we can. Because we have our change in X, remember here's our X coordinate. So all I have to do is subtract, right? So I'm going in the west direction. So I'm actually going to take 121 minus 172. That's going to give us our negative value. So I'm going to take 121.028, subtract 172.554, and I am going to get